comes to finishing your basement and you're wanting cabinets in the space, typically the cabinets are going to be utilized for like a wet bar area or even a full-out kitchenette. We have done different kind of cool built-ins into basements, sometimes in the main lounge area with like your TV entertainment. There's some sort of cabinets going on around there. We really take the time to put in a really nice design to ensure it is functional for you. And as far as cabinets go, that's we're at first going to just understand how you want those cabinets to perform best for you. In a basement, if you're looking to have some sort of wet bar down there, or maybe a pretty big kitchen because you want to host and you want to have a little island space, all of those things we're talking through. Then you start to think about how you want that storage to look within those cabinets, and we have a lot of great actual examples in our showroom that you're able to see what kind of cabinet space you can get out of things, whether you want things to be like deep drawers, how far to pull out, all sorts of different options, a pull-out trash can, different details to it's your chance to really make things how you want it. So really taking our time to think through how it would serve you best. And then you're gonna also be able to figure out what look you're going for, the aesthetics of it. And so we have a lot of great examples of that, whether it's more of a traditional or classic or trendy. There's a lot of different kind of painted or stained cabinets or combination of both. Our clients will encourage them to even pull some inspiring photos they have found, maybe on their Pinterest boards, maybe they've found some from our website galleries. We've got a lot of great basement examples. We'll just take the time to really go through all that too, and then we have the technology and renderings to be able to ensure we're plugging in those visuals for you, right? So you get like a real life idea of how those cabinets are going to look in your basement. When it comes to finishing your basement, we really cover every aspect of your project, including the cabinets, of course, and would love to chat more with you if you're considering a basement remodel.